Hi, it's Jonathan from Equipmart. I'd like to show you these two battery operated water tanks that we sell for use with water-fed pole systems. People use them for soft washing and window cleaning, so you simply connect it up to one of your water-fed poles, extend your pole, switch on the machine, and then you've basically got a pressurized system for window cleaning. This is the Aquaspray 20. Which is a 20 litre capacity battery operated water tank, and we also have a 45 litre, the Aquaspray Pro 45 water tank as well. Both these units are on heavy duty steel chassis. They've also got solid wheels on here as well, so they make them highly manoeuvrable if you want to take it out of your van and perhaps wheel it through an office block in order to do some internal cleaning. The tanks itself, on the top of the tank you've got a very wide orifice inlet, and that's also got a filter inside as well. And on the bottom of the tank you should be able to see, I'll spin it round again, you've got a drain hose there, so you can drain the tank off as well for any excess water prior to putting it away of an evening. So the unit itself, both units have a 50 metre hose reel. So on the end of the hose reel you have a brass female hose lock connector. So that'll connect up to any water-fed poles. It'll connect up to our standard Aquaspray 20, 25 and 30 foot telescopic poles. You'll also see those, some of those attached to this listing. They're an option that you can buy with this particular machine. So let me show you the controls on the machine now. Down the bottom here, there's two settings on the switch. The red switch here on the left hand side. The first setting, the top one, will basically just switch on the pump full. So that pump on here, diaphragm pump, gives 3.6 litres per minute of flow, of water flow. So if you switch the pump on, you can just about hear the pump turn in there. It immediately starts. If you switch on to the second position there, position 2, that allows you then to regulate the volume of water via the silver switch there. So if I switch on there, nothing happens until I turn the silver switch, and then it'll switch on a little bit more pressure, and then a little bit more, right up to your 3.6 litres per minute, and then you can twist it and switch it off. On the side of the unit here as well, this flap, this black flap here, is the charging socket point. So inside the black bag on the side here is a charger, so that will plug into a normal 13 amp socket, and then you can charge your battery, which is held internally within the unit here. One other indicator on the side of the control box here is an indicator for the battery charge, so you can check when your battery is fully charged. On a normal battery that should last you about 4 or 5 hours, obviously depending on how much you regulate the pressure there. So just to recap, we've got the Aquaspray 45 litre, and we've also got the Aquaspray Pro 20.